Good morning, students. Today we'll be studying how to change decimal expansion into rational number. You have already studied about changing a rational number into decimal number. Now today we'll be studying to change decimal expansion into rational number. मतलब कि अगर कोई डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन दिया हुआ है तो हम उसको रैशनल नंबर में कैसे कन्वर्ट करें, यानी कि p/q के फॉर्म में. लेट्स सी. तो एक तो आपको पहले से मालूम है, जैसे 2.45 है, तो आप क्या करते हो उसको. व्हाट यू डू इज़ 245 just under the point. Here point was there, so just under the point you put a 1 and then a 0 and then a 0. So this has come out to be equal to p/q. Cancel, whether you cancel or you don't cancel, it does not make any difference. It is in the form of p/q. So if the decimal expansion is terminating, then it is quite easy to convert it into in the form of p/q. But what to do if the decimal expansion is non-terminating repeating? Non-terminating repeating, because here 3 is repeating. So let us take p/q is equal to 0.333 and so on. Now what we will do is, if we multiply by 10 on both the sides, what will happen? Suppose we multiply 0.3333 by 10, it comes out to be 3.3333 and so on. It will continue like this. So let us multiply by 10 on both the sides. So this is equal to 10 into p/q is equal to 10 into 0.333. Okay. Now what we have to do is, let us multiply this side. So this comes out to be equal to 10 p/q is equal to 3.333 and so on. Let this be equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now we will subtract this equation number 1 from 2. So I will write down equation number 1 just under this equation number 2. So let me write, I will subtract minus p/q and here I will subtract 0.333 and so on. Left hand side will be subtracted from left hand side and right hand side will be subtracted from right hand side. So now I have to subtract 10 minus, what is the coefficient here? 1. So how much is this equal to? 10 minus 1, that is 9 p/q, and this is equal to, here you can see 3 minus 3 0, and as 3 is continuing, there are more 3's on the here also, and all 3 when you will subtract, सारे 3 से 3 जो है जब subtract करोगे, so what happens? It point के आगे आ गया हमारे पास में 0 0 0 और point से पहले आ गया 3. That means we have 9 p/q is equal to 3. ये 0 0 का कोई मतलब नहीं है. So we can write p/q is equal to 3/9, or you can write it equal to 1/3. Simplified or not simplified, turning into lowest term is not necessary. You can write the correct answer will be 3/9 also, and the correct answer will be 1/3 also. You can check. Let us check. Divide 3 by 9. 9.0. What will be there? 9 3s are 27. 3 again 0. 9 3s are 27. 3. So this 3 will go on repeating. Similarly, if you divide 1 by 3, then also you will get 0.3333 and so on. Okay, so the reverse process we have done. What? To convert a decimal expansion into a rational number. Have you understood? Let's take one more example. Let's take 1.27 bar. It means 1.272727 dash dash dash. Now what you have to remember is, you have to see how many digits are there in the repeating block. In the last case, repeating block was of only one digit, isn't it? Only 3 was repeating. So we multiplied it by 10. Here the repeating block is of 2 digits. So we will multiply this by 100. Depends on the number of digits in the repeating block. If there are 3 digits in the repeating block, suppose 3, 2.213, 213, 213. So the repeating block is of 3 digits. Then we will multiply it by 1000. So here we have repeating block of 2 digits. So we have multiplied by 100. So let us take P upon Q. Let P upon Q is equal to 1.272727 multiply by 100, multiply by 100. So this comes out to be 100 P upon Q is equal to 100 into 1.272727 dash dash dash. Now what will happen? When we are multiplying by 100, 2 digits will move to the left side of the decimal point. So this will be equal to 100 P by Q is equal to 127. See, this 27 will move to this side. So 127 point. Now the remaining will remain on the right hand side, that is 27, 27, 27 and so on. Now this is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Let us subtract. So this will be equal to P by Q is equal to 1.272727. As I told you, left hand side will be subtracted from the left hand side and right hand side will be subtracted from the right hand side. Let us subtract. So here it is 1. So 100 minus 1, 99 P by Q is equal to. Now right hand side after the decimal point becomes 0. See, 7 minus 7, 0, 0, 0, 0. So after decimal point you are getting zeros. And before decimal point, 127 minus 1, 126. So P by Q is equal to 126 upon 99. So to convert a decimal expansion into a rational number of the form P upon Q can be done in this way. You will be completing the exercise